In today's video, I am going to teach you how to print multiple emails in Gmail. To begin, open your web browser and go to Gmail. If you have more than one Google account, make sure you are signed into the account that contains the emails you want to print. Once Gmail loads, you should be looking at your inbox, where you can see a list of your messages. Now focus on the list of emails in the center of the screen. To print more than one email, you first need to select multiple messages. In Gmail, selection is done using the small checkbox area on each email row. Click directly in that selection area for the first email you want to include. When you click it, you will see a check mark appear, and the email row will look selected. Next, continue selecting additional emails. Move down the list and click the checkbox for another email you want to print. Each time you click, Gmail adds that message to your selection. Take your time here and make sure you are choosing only the emails you need. If you accidentally select the wrong one, simply click its checkbox again to remove it from the selection. Once you have highlighted multiple emails, look toward the top of your inbox list. After emails are selected, Gmail shows action options along the top, and your selected messages remain highlighted. This highlighted state is important because it confirms Gmail knows which messages you plan to work with. At this point, you are ready to move forward with printing from the selected set. A helpful tip is to double-check your selection before you print, especially if your inbox is busy. Scroll carefully and confirm the check marks are only on the messages you want. Also, if you are printing for record keeping, consider selecting emails that belong to the same topic or date range, so your printout stays organized and easier to read later. After you have confirmed your emails are selected and highlighted, you have successfully prepared multiple emails for printing in Gmail. And that is all there is to it.